Good evening. Today is Monday, March 18, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. Estel Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Store 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, March 18, 2024. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Monday, March 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Monday, March 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.